It's a true American icon, and this is the 2024 Ford Mustang. This vehicle is celebrating 59 years after its birth in 1964.
That's right. This seventh generation Mustang is both fun and exhilarating. And according to Ford Motor Company, the world's best-selling sports car over the last decade. So you can guarantee this Mustang right here has a lot of mojo.
Check this out. For 2024, Mustang introduces Remote Rev. You can rev the engine remotely using the key fob. Mike took the EcoBoost for a spin in Los Angeles.
All right, well, Nick, spoiler alert for you. In the EcoBoost here, you've got that 2.3 liter, right? Smaller engine. And when you think of Mustang, you think of high-end performance. But this has 315 horsepower with 350 pounds-feet of torque. And I can tell you right now, this has every bit of performance as the V8 you're in.
Nick got behind the wheel of the GT.
486 horsepower. We don't know the 0 to 60, but it's somewhere between 3 and 4 seconds. Quintessentially, this GT is what everybody thinks as the Mustang. And that's why. Now, I got a chance to autocross the EcoBoost version of the new Ford Mustang. Its steering was absolutely precise. And when I tell you it was F-U-N, I mean it was fun.
Hold on, there is more excitement. Actually, class first drift brake, and it helps you drift like a pro. Or in my case, maybe not. But in no time at all, you'll be out there tearing it up on the track.
Now, Ford have 11 colors for the 2024 Mustang. Which one screams you? I think for me, it's Yellow Splash 3C.
I love the edgier design of this 7th generation Mustang. That classic tri-bar LED headlamps and sleek proportions take inspiration from the iconic 1st generation model. It's a timeless beauty.
Inside, Unreal technology with a 25.6 curved screen that has Unreal Engine 3D graphics. Plus, you can customize it exactly the way you want it. This designed after a fighter cockpit.
Performance is the name of the game with both Mustangs. Now in its 4th generation, the 5-liter Coyote V8 puts out 486 horsepower with 418 pounds-feet of torque. That is one powerful engine. And if you're a thrill seeker like me, you're gonna have to go with the optional performance package, which comes with Brembo brakes, Magna-Ride suspension, and Recaro seats. The car of the stars. Patrick Dempsey, Carrie Underwood, Lady Gaga, and even President Clinton have all owned the coveted Ford Mustang.
The 2024 Mustang has advanced driver safety features, including adaptive cruise control and, of course, lane centering assist. And with the Ford Pass app, you can start your car and have all the information about your car at the touch of your fingertips.
So there you have it, folks, the 2024 Ford Mustang EcoBoost and GT, the perfect blend of heritage and innovation. From the stunning design to 2 powerful and performance-based engines. Both vehicles are a thrill to ride.
So we've tamed this wild horse, the Mustang. What do you think of the 2024 Ford Mustang?
I'm Mike Caudill, and that's Nick Miles.